What are you doing?
I am calculating budget of this month. In this Ramadan, we need to purchase a new refrigerator, as you know, because of this COVID, monthly budget are so much disturbed.
Why? What happened to your current refrigerator?
It is too small, not getting sufficient for my family. And my pocket is not allowing me for a new one, that's why I called you. Suggest me something. See, this one is too small.
I understood. Are you not planning to sell this one and purchase the big one?
Is it possible to get the good price of this refrigerator? Because I purchased this last year only.
Yes. Why not? Use Omanizz to sell your old refrigerator and purchase the new big one, second-hand, good condition, refrigerator at very nominal price.
Wow. That's great. How can we do that?
It's simple, come with me. Let me show you. It's simple. You can do it from their website. www.omanizz.com. Click to add post and start uploading about your things which you want to sell, and they are having their own application by the name of Omanizz. It is available in English and Arabic, which makes it more convenient. Click add post icon, start updating the title with descriptions of your items with their pictures, and with your information. Buyers will directly contact you for purchase. You can sell from car to property without paying a single commission. The best part, it is completely free.
Oh, great, it is free now. Only I will post an ad for my refrigerator. Hey, see, I have purchased the big double-door refrigerator from Omanizz by selling the old one. Thanks to you.
Great. Keep using Omanizz, sell the old unused goods of yours, and purchase the new one for you.